Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a super useful lesson for all you English beginners. We're going to learn the most common words and phrases you need to talk about your daily routine. By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe your entire day in English. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Let's begin with the morning. The very first thing we do is wake up. Wake up means to stop sleeping. Your eyes open and you're no longer asleep. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. After you wake up, you probably don't stay in bed forever, right? You get up. To get up means to leave your bed. So you can say, I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:15. See the difference? Wake up is when your mind is awake, and get up is when your body is out of bed. What's next? Personal hygiene. You need to brush your teeth. Brush teeth means to clean your teeth, usually with a toothbrush and toothpaste. It's very important for your health. A simple sentence is, I brush my teeth after I get up. After that, it's time for breakfast. The word for having food is eat. So, I eat breakfast in the morning. And what do you do with coffee, tea, or water? You drink it. Drink means to have a liquid. So you can say, I eat toast and I drink coffee for breakfast. Once you're ready, many people go to work. Go to work means you travel to your job. You could go by car, by bus, or by train. For example, I go to work at 8:30. And what do you do at work? You work. Work means to do your job or your tasks. I work from 9 in the morning until 5 in the evening. Simple, right? Around the middle of the day, we get hungry again. This is when we have lunch. Lunch is your midday meal. I usually have lunch at 1 o'clock. After a long period of working, it's important to relax. To relax means to rest and do something you enjoy. Maybe you listen to music, read a book, or just sit quietly. After work, I like to relax for a little while. When the workday is over, you go home. Go home means to return to your house. I go home at 5:30. It's the opposite of going to work. Once you're home, you might eat dinner, watch some television, and then, at the end of the day, it's time to sleep. Sleep is when you rest your body and mind for the night. I try to sleep for 8 hours every night. Let's do a quick recap of all the words. Wake up, get up, brush teeth, eat, drink, go to work, work, lunch, relax, go home, and sleep. Try to make your own sentences with these words. For example, you could write down your own daily routine. I wake up at 6, I get up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, ... and so on. Practice is key. And that's it. You've just learned some of the most essential vocabulary for talking about your day. I hope this lesson was helpful for you. If you enjoyed it and want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our future lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.